Hello everyone and welcome back. First of all, thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me and it also was a really nice Christmas present. But of course, I still need your help, so if you enjoy my content, maybe you consider subscribing and liking to help me making more videos just like this one. After last week's video, I instantly got to work again, and the first thing I had to do was to rewrite some of the code on the main screen for a Sliver app bar to be displayed. The whole Sliver widget family is still pretty new to me, so it took a bit longer than expected. I also implemented the first iteration of a loading screen by simply displaying a circular progress indicator, while the connection state of the future is waiting. The whole app still had the default blue as an accent color, so I changed it in the theme data. Something that was pretty high on my to-do list was pull to refresh. It's basically just a swipe down gesture to reload the future which contains the data. For this to happen, I need to create a new future variable and reset it in the refresh indicators onRefresh callback. Of course, there's a bit more going on behind the scenes, but that's all I have time for in this video. If you want a more detailed tutorial on that, just leave a comment and tell me. I also implemented a switch statement for the connection state of the future to do more error handling. A part I often neglect is error checking and handling, because I don't like it as much. But it has to be done, so I started with checking the internet access. I used the connectivity package and copy-pasted a whole bunch of code of their examples until I got it working. So now when the device does not have internet access, the app will display "You are currently offline" to the user. After that, I created a new settings tab in the bottom app bar because I knew I needed various settings later on. Something I really never understood in Flutter were search bars. So I tried around till I used the flappy search bar, which works great considering its questionable name. For it to work, I needed to store the retrieved data in a new data object, so I created a new articles class, also because it looks a lot cleaner in code after all. The last step for that day was to style the app bar for it to fit into my app, which was pretty self-explanatory given the documentation of the flappy search bar. Something that bothered me for a while now were the unrefactored fetching methods, so I created a new file for them. That was because I used them in two places, but really had only one use case for them, so I just bundled them into one file. And that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and till then, see you next week with more content on this app.